Yeah, let's try that, huh? How about it? Kayaking season continues here on Dead Wolf 13 channel. Yeah, how about it? Let's go check out the Lakeside property, shall we? How about it? You say that your life isn't fair. What's right and what's wrong? You got your needs and you just don't care. On and on we drift back to where we were before. Okay, we're still rolling. Just trying to get some kind of a camera system set up, you know. Let's try that. I will not walk through that door. Oh, no, no. I may be blind, but I'm on my way. And the music just cut out. We lose our video. Yeah, we're all right. Cool. Oh, my speaker went dead. That's what happened. All right, we'll go check out some scenery and some docks over there on the shore. How about it? Just like that. We'll give it a try, huh? How about it? As you can see, just almost a wind-still day out here today. And this is the season of cattail fluff and, well, maybe some cottonwood fluff. Not too much of that. That kind of happens the end of July. The sound is really carrying out here on the lake. Trucks going over that bridge. I've been over that bridge with a lot of trucks over the years and made plenty of noise myself doing that. So yeah. So this is what they have to do if you get some of this lakeside property that's on a cliff. They have to build stairs and then put their docks in there like that. There we are. Okay, just might be my last kayaking video. I hope not. Maybe we'll do this Thursday. I got to get into some firewood also. Got to get some firewood harvested. So, hey, y'all take care until the next one, where you know we're going to have this kind of fun. I'm Dead Wolf. And I'm out. See y'all soon. Thanks for being there.